Bitcoin dips below $68,000, Ether stays above $3,800. BlackRock's IBIT overtakes GBTC as the world's largest Bitcoin ETF. BlackRock adds own Bitcoin ETF to income and bond funds. Hong Kong SFC to compliance check crypto firms' offices after license deadline. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest pours $60 million into Elon Musk's AI venture. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Bitcoin price rose slightly on Wednesday but remained squarely within a recent trading range as caution over US inflation and interest rates kept traders largely averse towards risk-driven assets such as crypto. Bitcoin was trading below $68,000. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1.1% at 87,770 points. Other altcoins inched higher, although gains were limited amid persistent concerns over high-for-longer interest rates and sticky inflation. Focus this week was squarely on PCE price index data, which is the Federal Reserve's preferred inflation gauge. The reading is due on Friday and is likely to factor into central banks' plans for interest rates. The data comes as a string of Fed officials warn that rates will remain high for longer, a scenario that bodes poorly for crypto. Meanwhile, BlackRock's spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund has reportedly surpassed the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust as the world's largest exchange-traded fund tracking the price of Bitcoin. Additionally, BlackRock's income and bond-focused funds have bought shares of the asset manager's own spot Bitcoin ETF in the first quarter, regulatory filings show. In another news, Cathie Wood's ARK Investment Fund has committed $60 million to Elon Musk's XAI startup, demonstrating the firm's confidence in its potential amid a surge in AI investments. Well, Cathie Wood made another headline today as she boldly predicted that El Salvador could see its GDP increase tenfold over the next 5 years if it stays with its Bitcoin and AI adoption plan under Nayib Bukele's presidency. In another news, the bullish meme coin run over the past couple of weeks has helped Shiba Inu dethrone Cardano from the top 10 crypto rankings by market cap. Finally, Bitcoin mining firm Luxor Technology Corporation and Bitnominal Inc. have launched a Bitcoin mining derivative product on Bitnominal's United States derivative exchange. Bitnominal claimed the product trading under the ticker HUP offers a way for miners to hedge their revenue and for investors to gain exposure to the Bitcoin mining hash rate. Bitcoin was trading at $67,840, down by 1%, while Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 2%, trading at $3,813. Next on the list, Binance's BNB token was down by 0.5% to trade at $599. Next on the list, Cardano's 88 token was up by 1% to trade at $0.46. Next on the list, Avalanche AVAX was trading at $37, lower by 0.2%. And Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 0.8% at $0.16. Next on the list, Shiba Inu was trading up by 9.5%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.53, down by 0.25%. And Polkadot was up by 0.6% to trade at $7.46. Well, however, Solana Sol was up 0.34% and was trading at $169. Polygon's Matic was trading up by 0.34% to trade at $0.74.
Thank you, Vishakha, for in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. BlackRock's spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund has reportedly surpassed the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust as the world's largest exchange-traded fund tracking the price of Bitcoin. As of the end of trading on May 28th, BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, known as IBIT, recorded $102.5 million in inflows, while GBTC registered a $105 million outflow. The inflow is reported to have brought BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF to a total of 288,670 Bitcoin held, compared to Grayscale, which now holds 287,450 Bitcoin, despite beginning at 620,000 Bitcoin at the time of its conversion in January, according to data from HODL 15 Capital and the Apollo Bitcoin Tracker. Both ETFs launched on the same day in January, and BlackRock's ETF has since accounted for the lion's share of inflows across all 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs. BlackRock's income and bond-focused funds have brought shares of the asset manager's own spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund in the first quarter regulatory filings show. BlackRock's Strategic Income Opportunities Fund snapped up $3.56 million worth of iShares Bitcoin Trust, while its Strategic Global Bond Fund made a $485,000 purchase, according to May 28 Securities and Exchange Commission filings. The IBIT shares are a fraction of BSIIX and MAWIX's investment portfolios, respectively worth $37.4 billion and $776.4 million. Spot Bitcoin ETFs globally now hold over 1 million Bitcoin worth over $68 billion, equating to nearly 5.1% of its over 19.7 million BTC circulating supply, according to CoinGecko. The Hong Kong Securities and Futures Commission has said it will conduct on-site inspections of local virtual asset trading platforms that are still going through their regulatory applications after a June 1st licensing deadline. The SFC reminded crypto companies on May 28 about their requirement to get licensed before June. After the deadline, all local crypto trading platforms must either be licensed or deemed to be licensed by the SFC. Deemed to be licensed applicants will fall under a short-term framework designed for crypto firms that were already operating in the region before the licensing regime was enacted. After June 1st, operating an unlicensed VATP in Hong Kong would be a criminal offense, and the FSC would be chasing companies up seemingly in person. ARK Invest, the investment management firm founded and led by veteran investor Cathie Wood, announced the acquisition of a stake in Elon Musk's artificial intelligence startup. On May 28th, the company revealed that the stake in XAI through an email to its clients. ARK chief futurist Brett Winton said it represents around 2% of the fund's holdings, according to a report from Bloomberg. This investment is another recent AI-related move by ARK Invest. Last month, the firm disclosed that 4% of its entire holdings are in OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, and 5% of its assets are in Anthropic, the company behind the Claude AI model. XAI is Musk's latest venture and was launched in March 2023 in a bid against major players in the AI space like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
Let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Trump. The Trump coin, also known as the MAGA, jumped 31.7% in the last 24 hours, increasing by 80.5% in the past 2 weeks and 113.2% in last month. The Trump token reached an all-time high on May 26, reaching $11.8 per coin, but has since declined 0.8%. Trump holds a 579,000 Trump worth $6.69 million, with a stash airdrop to its wallet gaining $1.6 million in the past day. The performance of these presidential coins will be interesting to see over time, and leading up to the election, GEO, also known as Biden, named after the president Joe Biden, is down 4.5% today, while MAGA hat, also known as MAGA, rose 80% over the past day. Next on the list, we have GameStop. GameStop price has risen by 17% following a recent stock price crash due to the company's plan to sell off a significant portion of its shares. The surge is linked to GameStop Corp's pre-market rally, which generated $933.4 million in gross proceeds. The surge suggests a growing confidence in investors following the share sale and signals an ongoing interest in the company's evolving strategy. The GameStop price rally appears to extend into the meme coin sector, with the top 3 meme cryptocurrencies by market cap showing significant upward momentum. Next on the list, we have new meme coin, Pengu. Penguana, a unique penguin-themed meme coin on the Solana blockchain, has successfully launched its Pengu token on Radium, confirming strong investor interest and community support. The token's integration into the dynamic play-to-earn game sets it apart, offering more than speculative value by opening doors to a comprehensive gaming experience. This approach has resonated well within the Solana community, leading to a rapid sellout on the pre-sale and a robust trading built on Radium. The next exciting phase for Penguana is the minting of Kuana NFTs slated for the upcoming weeks. These 1,000 unique 3D Penguin NFTs are crucial for accessing enhanced gaming functionalities in Penguana's forthcoming play-to-earn game. Next on the list, we have Solana. So Solana is facing a decline, but Solana-based tokens are on the rise. What irony, right? One Solana holder sold some 5 Solanas to buy a Solana-based new token, Mother, and then gain profits. Another Solana token, Jupiter, was also on the rise today. It reached approximately $150 billion in trading volume. Coming back to Solana itself, SOL has witnessed a decline in open positions in the futures market since May 20th, with 4% decrease over the past 7 days. This decline may indicate that the market participants are increasingly exiting trading positions without opening new ones. Experts predict that if Solana breaches the $163 support, its price could further drop to $157.9. Last on the list, we have High Street, also known as High Token. High Street's price surged by 25.4% in the 24 hours, reaching $6.1 with a market capitalization of $306 million. The trading volume surged to $120 million, marking a 500.6% increase. High Street's team is working on a VR implementation and concept art integration, adopting Shopify experiences into MMORPGs for brands to offer top-notch Metaverse experiences.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3firstTV.io or scan the QR code.